In today's quiz, you have 25 questions to attempt. Note that you have exactly 10 seconds to answer each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the past tense of go? Which tense is used for actions happening now? What is the future tense of write? Which tense is used for actions that happened at an indefinite time? What is the correct form of the verb in by next year? I-graduate. Which tense is used to describe routine actions? What is the past perfect form of see? How do you form the present perfect tense of a verb? What tense is used for a past action with relevance to the present? What is the future continuous form of work? Which form is correct for the past continuous tense of live? What tense would you use for a completed action in the future? Which tense describes an action that was ongoing in the past when another action interrupted it? What is the past tense form of think? Which tense is often used with since or for to indicate the duration of an action? What is the future perfect continuous tense of play? What tense is I had been writing when he called? How is the future tense of can formed? What is the correct past tense of throw? Which tense would you use to describe a general truth? What is the present continuous form of eat? Which tense is used for actions that were completed before another past action? What tense is, they will have been studying for 3 hours by the time he arrives? What is the correct form for the simple past tense of fly? Which tense describes an action continuing from the past into the present? Finish the quiz. Awesome! Drop your score out of 25 in the comments below to see how you did compared to others. Let's see who are the grammar champions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Thank you.